It's only 7 people, right?
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. What I love about being a chef is turning something simple into something creative and then serving it to people and hearing that they enjoy it. It's very fulfilling for me. I recently found a book at home from when I was in primary school. I saw that I wrote down that I wanted to become a chef like my dad. So my whole family is in the food industry. After studying culinary arts in DIT, and we did an internship for every year, I knew on the first day that I wanted to stay. I wanted to keep working as the chef. I really enjoyed the creativity side of things, creating the dishes and all the produce that came in as well, and what you can turn that into. The other thing I love about working as a chef is working with very talented and helpful team members. You're not on your own. Even if you don't have any experience, but you have the passion and just determination to work, there shouldn't be a problem for you becoming a chef. Like, there's always a better way of doing things. You'll always learn something new. It's just this great sense of almost like a family, and everyone's there to support you.